Now, two of the biggest names in men's sprints medalists at global championships will not be defending their national titles when the J3A's Puma National Championships gets underway later this week. However, despite their absence, J3A's president Garth Gale is confident the championship will produce fireworks. All right, we'll get back to that story in just a tick. And staying on track and field, the 2023 world champion Antonio Watson is earmarking a special performance when the J3A's National Senior Championships is held this week, June 18 to 24 at the National Stadium.
Since winning the 400-meter world title at the 2023 World Championships, national quarter-miler Antonio Watson has struggled to return to his best form. But this could be the year when he does so, with the Racers Track Club athletes showing good form in helping Jamaica to a silver medal at the World Relays in Botswana last month. The 24-year-old says he will be taking a simple approach to the season.
I just want to stay focused, stay healthy, and just get myself back into the shape that I know I can be.
Watson has posted times of 45.11 seconds and 45.17 seconds already this season, and he says he will be ready for the national championships.
Training has been going great, hitting some good times. So it's for me just now to go out there and execute a proper race in a competition and see what time we can come out with.
Despite his recent struggles, the former Petersfield High athlete says he continues to trust how he approaches the event, including his running style.
It has done a lot, major changes in my life, financially, emotionally, and all. So it's a great feeling to walk around in the streets and can be called a world champion. Not many people have that title or that status. So it's been a great feeling, and it just gives me this energy and strength to continue to do what I do best.
Meanwhile, Watson claims he's not perturbed by the new World Championship qualifying mark of 44.45 for the event.
For me, I just don't worry about the times. I know my quality, so once I get it right, I know I will be qualifying for the World Championship next year. So it's just for me to stay focused and continue to do the good work that I've always been doing and stay healthy.
The J3A National Senior and Junior Athletics Championships will be live on TVJ